When it comes to connecting your devices, not all HDMI cables are created equal. Certified premium high-speed HDMI cables stand out because they are rigorously tested and certified by HDMI Authorized Test Centers. This certification guarantees that each cable meets the latest HDMI specifications, so you get the full performance you expect without compromise. What does that mean for you? It means these cables support every feature in the newest HDMI standard, including the full 18 gigabits per second bandwidth. That's crucial for streaming high-quality video without lag or loss of detail, especially when you're pushing 4K resolution at 60 Hz. Whether it's movies, gaming, or live sports, you get crystal clear visuals every time. Each cable length undergoes individual testing to ensure consistent performance. This isn't just a general claim. Every single cable is verified to handle high data speeds and resist electromagnetic interference, EMI. So you won't have to worry about signal drops or fuzziness caused by nearby electronics or wireless devices. Supporting resolutions up to 4K, 3840x2160p at 60 Hz. These cables also handle 3D and multi-view video formats. That's a big plus if you have a modern TV or projector that takes advantage of these features. You can enjoy immersive 3D movies or split your screen for multiple views without a hitch. One standout benefit is the dual video stream support. This means the cable can simultaneously deliver 2 video streams to a single display. For example, newer LG and Samsung TVs use this to enable multi-view, letting you watch a football game while your kids play video games on the same screen. It's a smart way to keep everyone entertained without juggling multiple devices. If you've ever been frustrated with unreliable cords that work sporadically, this cable offers peace of mind. Lightweight and easy to manage, it also helps clean up cable clutter. One user from the United States shared how these cables worked flawlessly with every device they tried, making their setup neater and more dependable. The certification process these cables go through is not just a label, it's a promise of quality. When you buy a certified premium high-speed HDMI cable, you're investing in a product that has been thoroughly vetted to deliver consistent, high-performance video and audio signals. This reliability makes a difference whether you're setting up a home theater, gaming station, or a professional AV system. You won't have to second-guess if your cable can keep up with your device's demands. It simply works as intended, every time. Plus, the high EMI resistance means fewer interruptions from other electronic devices. This is especially important in busy homes or offices where multiple gadgets operate simultaneously. Your picture stays sharp and your sound clear, no matter what else is running nearby. For anyone upgrading to 4K or looking to maximize their TV's features, these cables are worth considering. They ensure that your investment in high-end devices is supported by equally capable cables. That connection between your source and screen is critical. Don't let it be the weak link. If you want to enjoy smooth, vibrant video with full feature support, certified premium high-speed HDMI cables offer a straightforward solution. They combine the latest technology standards with proven testing and certification, so you get what you pay for without surprises. Consider this. A cable that supports dual video streams opens up new possibilities for multitasking on your TV. Whether it's watching sports alongside a video game or following a live event while browsing apps, you get more flexibility and control over your viewing experience. The lightweight design also makes installation easier. No more wrestling with bulky, stiff cords that tangle or strain your ports. These cables fit neatly into your setup, helping maintain a clean, organized look behind your entertainment center. Feedback from users confirms these cables deliver on their promises. Real-world use shows they handle multiple devices smoothly, from streaming boxes to gaming consoles and Blu-ray players. This versatility makes them a reliable choice for any home entertainment system. It's not just about speed or resolution, it's about consistent quality that enhances your viewing experience. Certified premium high-speed HDMI cables ensure you see every detail in your favorite content, with no interruptions or compromises. If you're ready to upgrade your setup with cables that keep pace with today's demanding devices, these certified cables are a solid pick. They offer peace of mind backed by official testing and real user satisfaction. Worth a look if you want to avoid the frustration of cables that underperform or fail unexpectedly. The certification and thorough testing mean you're getting a cable built to last and perform reliably under real conditions. Try it when you're ready to experience hassle-free connections that support all your HDMI needs, from 4K video to dual-stream multitasking. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference in how you enjoy your entertainment.